Mark. How's it going today?
Hi, Anna. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. So, what's the topic for today's episode?
Today, we're going to talk about visiting the doctor. We'll cover some common situations, questions doctors ask, and useful phrases you can use during a checkup.
That sounds very helpful, especially for beginners. Visiting a doctor can be stressful if you don't know the right words.
Exactly. So first, let's talk about what happens when you go for a checkup. Usually, the doctor asks about your symptoms and your daily habits like sleep, diet, and exercise.
What do we mean by symptoms?
Symptoms are signs that something may be wrong with your body. For example, a headache, a sore throat, or feeling very tired. You can say, I have a headache, or I feel dizzy sometimes.
That's clear. And how do we talk about appointments?
You can say, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m., or I'd like to see the doctor this afternoon, please. Simple sentences like that are enough.
What about past experiences with doctors? Are there useful phrases for that?
Yes, we can use phrases like I used to or I would. For example, I used to get stomach aches in the morning, or I would feel tired when I stayed up late.
Oh, so used to and would are both for habits in the past. That's very handy to know.
Right. And doctors may also give advice about your daily routines. Eating healthy, sleeping well, and exercising regularly are all very important.
I remember one time I went to the doctor and forgot the word for nausea. I just said, I feel sick. The doctor understood perfectly.
That's a good tip. Don't worry too much about using complicated words. Simple sentences work best.
What about missing appointments?
I try not to miss them. Regular checkups are important, even if you feel healthy.
I agree. Your health is very valuable, and visiting the doctor helps prevent problems before they become serious.
Let's review some key phrases from today's episode. Checkup. A medical visit to make sure you're healthy. Symptoms. Signs your body may be unwell. Appointment. A scheduled time with the doctor. Used to or would. Talking about habits in the past. Daily routine. Activities you do regularly, like eating, sleeping, and exercising.
And remember, it's always better to ask questions if you don't understand something. Doctors are there to help you.
That's right. Thanks for joining us on English Spark. Visit our website for more exercises, tips, and transcripts to help you improve your English.
In the next episode, we'll discuss visiting a pharmacy and talking about medicine.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.